freeze settles in following yesterday's massive snowstorm. Single-digit temperatures in some areas, and the wind chill has it below zero.
New York City schools will be open today, but many others are closed across the tri-state area. We have a full list on CBSNewYork.com. We're also seeing scattered power outages. JFK Airport is set to reopen at 7 o'clock this morning after being forced to shut down due to all the snow.
We have team coverage this morning. John Elliott has more on how long this extreme cold will hang on.
Let's get you to the roads and the skies and see how we're doing today.
Well, it's all about the chill. You know, it's interesting. We all showed up today, and we were all asking, how are the roads? How are the roads? How are the roads? How are the roads? So you were okay.
I felt like we were okay, although Chris and I come through the same area, and he said he saw some black ice.
No, it just seemed like there was a sheen over the road the whole time.
It is slippery out there.
I didn't want to test it by hitting the brakes at all. But, yeah, it was precarious, but not bad. Cleared, but shiny.
So